Hello, welcome back to the baking aisle. My name is Wara. I'm stepping into my mom's kitchen to show you how we make our low-carb chocolate frosting. Let's get into it. I have 100 grams of unsalted butter. I'm gonna put it in a bowl. To that, I'm going to add 80 grams of cream cheese, a third cup of powdered erythritol, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. I'm going to mix this together with a spatula to avoid it from poofing everywhere. And now that it's well incorporated, I'm going to use the hand mixer to further combine everything. I'm going to scrape down the sides of the bowl, and I'm going to give it another good mix. So now I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 30 grams of melted dark chocolate. Then I'm going to mix this together with a hand mixer. So I'm going to scrape down the sides of the bowl again. I'm going to paddle the frosting to remove the air bubbles that are trapped inside, just gently removing the air pockets. This delicious chocolate frosting is extremely versatile. You can use it to pipe your cake, to frost your cake, or use it as a filling for a layered cake, and perfect for people with low carb needs. Thank you for watching to the end. Feel free to share this video with your friends and try out this recipe. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. This temporarily concludes the low carb series. Thank you for watching again, and see you in the next one.